morning, Elsa. Thank you for coming today. Could you start by introducing yourself and telling us a bit about your background in pharmacy?
Good morning, Miss Rani. Thank you for having me. My name is Elsa Nazaulia, and I recently graduated with a bachelor degree in pharmacy from Universitas Pancasila. During my studies, I developed a strong interest in pharmaceutical formulation, quality evaluation, and production process. I was also involved in various laboratory activities that follow good laboratory practice standard which helped me understand the importance of precision and consistency in every stage of pharmaceutical work.
That's great. What first inspired you to study pharmacy?
I've always been curious about how medicines are developed from raw materials to finished products that can improve people's health. Pharmacy allows me to combine my love for science with my desire to make a real contribution to society. I see I see it as a field that connects innovation, care, and responsibility.
I see. Now, what you made you interested in applying to PT Kalbe Pharma?
I've always admired Kalbe Pharma for its strong reputation in research, innovation, and product quality. It's one of Indonesia's leading pharmaceutical companies that continuously push forward in developing new and effectivity products. I am particularly dra- I'm particularly drawn to how Colby combines science and social responsibility. Its goal is not just a business success, but also improving people's quality of life. That's something I personally value and want to be part of.
That's good to hear. Which department do you think suits you best if you join our company?
I love to contribute to the pharmaceutical development or quality assurance department. I enjoy working in analytical and structured environments where accuracy is essential. I also like learning about how formulation and production can be optimized to ensure safe and effective medicine.
Can you share a memorable experience from your studies or lab work that taught you something valuable?
Sure, one of my memorable experience was during a pharmaceutical formulation project where my group had to prepare a test a semi-solid dosage form. I was responsible for monitoring its stability parameter like pH and viscosity. Over time, that experience taught me how even small change in measurement or technique can affect product quality. It also improved my attention to detail and teamwork.
That's a useful experience. What would you say are your main strengths that could help you in this field?
I say my strengths are analytical thinking, responsibility, and communication. I always try to be accurate when collecting data and follow procedure carefully. I also make an effort to be community clearly with my team, especially when discussing results or finding ways to solve unexpected problems.
Working at Calbev often involves tight schedules and complex projects. How do you manage stress or multiple deadlines?
I try to stay organized and prioritize tasks based on urgency. I usually make a checklist to stay on track and remind myself that quality matters more than speed. When the things get stressful, I take a short pause to refocus before continuing. I've learned that discussing challenges early with teammates or supervisor also help prevent mistakes later.
Suppose during quality testing, you found inconsistent data in your results. What would you do?
First, I will recheck my process and instruments to make sure it's not a technical error. If the inconsistency remains, I report it to my supervisor with complete documentation of what I observe. I believe transparency is important, especially when it involves product safety and reliability.
That's a thoughtful approach. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In 5 years, I hope to become a professional pharmacist working in pharmaceutical development or quality assurance. I want to keep learning about formulation technology and contribute to innovate, safe, and high quality products that benefit society. I also hope to go within Kalbe Pharma and be part of projects that push forward pharmaceutical innovation in Indonesia.
That's a great goal. Before we finish, do you have any question for me?
Yes, I like to know what kind of qualities or attitude does Kalbe Pharma value most in its new item or employees.
That's a good question. We value people who are disciplined, proactive, and eager to learn. Those who can adapt quickly and maintain a positive attitude in teamwork.
Thank you, Miss Surani. That's very insightful. I really appreciate your time and the opportunity to interview today.
Thank you, Elsa. We'll review all candidates and inform you soon about the next step, possibly including a short technical test.
Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you.